Okay, so now it's time to learn your capital and lowercase letter M's. Letter M's look very similar to your print letter M's, but there's a little bit of a difference. So I'll show you how to do the capital letter M first. Here we go. Okay, so there you go. That's your capital letter M. So let's break it down step by step. You're going to start at the top of the page, or your top line, and you're going to make a small little loop around. Bring your line down to the bottom, bring it back up and make a rounded top. Bring that line down to the bottom, and you're going to go back up, a smaller rounded top, and back down to the bottom. There you go. Okay, so what you might notice about it is that your first rounded top is going to be a little bit higher than your second rounded top. See, here's your height difference there, okay? So, but all lines are going to come down to the bottom here. And it's also very important that you keep your slants in your line while you're doing it. So, let's do it a couple more times here. So, you're going to start up at the top, make your loop around, down to the bottom with your slant. Okay, so the next step is to go back up to the top, make your first rounded top, back down to the bottom, up to the top, not quite as high as the first, rounded top, back down to the bottom. There you go, okay? See, notice the height difference again. Let's do it again. Start at the top line, round, back down, trace back up, make a rounded top, down to the bottom, trace back up, rounded top, and down. There we go. Let's do it one more time. This can be kind of tricky. So you're going to start the top line, loop around, down to the bottom, trace it back up, rounded top, down, trace it back up, rounded top not quite as high, down, and you're finished. Okay, there we go. Okay, your lowercase letter M is going to have a very similar process to your capital letter M. I'll show you. Here we go. Instead of making a loop, you're going to come in like this. Here we go. Okay, so there's your lowercase letter M. Let me show you step by step. Instead of making our big loop like we did with the capital, the lowercase, you're going to start down at the bottom line, and you're going to kind of make a rounded top into it. And you're going to retrace back to the middle line, back down again. You're going to retrace, back down. There you go. You have your lowercase letter M. Notice how in the lowercase, the heights are the same on the two, okay? They're not different. So let's do it one more time. You're going to start at the bottom line, go up to the middle line, back down, trace it back up, round the top, back down, trace up, round the top, back down. There you go. You have your lowercase letter M's. They're rather simple, so there we go. Okay, so let's put our capital letter M and our lowercase letter m together. So, remember, we're going to start at the top line, make a loop down, bring the line down to the bottom line, go up and retrace it, make a rounded top, down to the bottom, retrace, not quite as high, make a rounded top, back down. Let's go under our lowercase letter m. Going to round the top and bring it down, retrace it, rounded top, bring it down, back up, same height this time, rounded top. There we go, our capital and lowercase letter m. Let's do it one more time. starting at the top of the page, make a loop around, down to the bottom line, bring it back up and make a rounded top, down to the bottom line, retrace, not quite as high, make a rounded top, bring it down. Then we're going to go into our little case, down, back up, down, back up. One more time, finish it off. There you go, you have your capital and lowercase letter M's together. Remember the height difference. Capital is going to be a little bit different. Lowercase is going to be the same. There you go. Now go practice with the letter M worksheets and you'll be all good to go.